Alright guys, so in this video I'll be showing you guys a very simple 1 minute smart money concept scalping strategy. And for this strategy to work, you want to come to the indicator section here and search for an indicator called FVG. I prefer to use this FVG by Nephew Sam. It's my preferred, one of my preferred FVG zone finders, and you click on it and it shows up on your chart. And for a quick settings, you want to just come in here and just turn on this feature called wait for candle close to identify FVG. You can see it right here, wait for candle close to identify FVG, because I prefer you use this wait for candle close so that you don't get fake FVG zones. And it's very important because there's a lot of fake outs in the market. So once you turn that on, you just come to your chart and you want to find the Asian session highs and lows. So this is my Asian, this is the highest point the Asian session went to. So this is the highest point the Asian session went to. You want to mark that out from the highs to the lows, which is right here. So now we want to wait for a breakout of that Asian session highs and lows. And if you notice, this is a 5-minute time frame, so we want to go down to the 1-minute time frame. So real quick, let me check the 1-minute time frame and see if I can get an entry. So this is the Asian session highs and lows. Let me plot that very clearly. So let's plot it well. Asian session high, and this is the low. And yeah, so right now the only thing we should be looking out for is waiting for a breakout high, waiting for a breakout below or above the Asian session range. So you can clearly see that there is a breakout here. So look, this is where we saw the breakout. So when you see a break below like this, then you're obviously looking to take a buy. All right, so you shouldn't be thinking of taking a sell at this point. So since we saw this FVG break below, to me this break below signifies a fake out, because a lot of traders who have this smart money trading concept style, is they're most likely going to be trading a short. There are people trading shorts at this point. So this is a fake move to the downside. You can see price went a little bit up, came back down, and completely destroyed their stop loss. So let's just assume that you have your stop loss at an area like this for a sell. And guys, no matter where your stop loss is, you got taken out. So this is one confirmation I'm looking out for to even consider taking a trade like this. So I need to see a fake out like this, a break below, and a fake out in the market, and price should leave that fake out. So we saw this beautiful move to the upside. So what is going to be our entry? All right, so we will not just blindly take a trade because we saw this fake out. All right, so after we see this breakout like this, this fake out move, we want to see a retracement. So let me just zoom in a little bit so you guys can clearly see what I'm talking about. So we saw this retracement, this 2 candlestick retracement. So it could be any candle, it can be any amount of candlestick, but we want to see a retracement at this point back into the zone, this Asian session range. And you can see price made this highs. After this retracement to the upside, price came back down and it took these lowest points price got to before the retracement. This is the lowest points price got to when it retraced, and it came back and it took that lows out. So this is indicating to me that this is a valid trade setup, because those traders that took a sell are really smiling and happy that the market is going down, but unfortunately they don't know what's going to happen to them because price just completely destroyed them and went against them. So after we see this move to the upside, we are looking for price to take out this. So we're looking for price to take out this swing high that price made here. So what is the swing high? The swing high is just the last highs that price got to when it retraced before the manipulation of this lows here, this lows down here. So this is a change in character. This signifies a complete change in character, and I'm automatically looking for a buy. And what is my buying setup? Our buying setup now comes in to be that FVG that we added, and I said make the candlestick, make the FVG show up when candlestick closes, so you don't get fake FVG zones. So this FVG showed up. You can see there's a beautiful FVG here. Let me zoom in a little bit. I believe you guys should know what an FVG looks like, but if you don't, I will make a video showing you guys what an FVG looks like. So we saw this FVG zone down here. Let me mark that out real quick. So guys, we saw this FVG zone, and automatically we want to take our trade there. Like once you see this FVG zone, just take the trade, but please do not take your trade without adding your stop loss. It's risky without adding your stop loss. So where would our stop loss be? Our stop loss will be slightly below that FVG zone, just slightly below it. And our take profit will be a 1 to 1.5, a 1 to 2, a 1 to 3. It depends on what you want, a 1 to 2.5. But you can see this trade went for a 3.16 to 1 on just this one trade. This is how easy the strategy is. Very easy and very effective. So all I want you guys to do is go back test it and get comfortable with this strategy. And you know, guys, this is free value I'm giving you guys here, because I teach my students one of the strategies, guys. So guys, please make sure to use proper risk management when you trade the strategies, and like I said, go back test it and get comfortable using this strategy. If you want to take signals with me every single day, I give out signals every single day to me and my VIP students. So if you want to be a part of that, then also DM me on Instagram, all right? Or you can DM me on Telegram, whichever one you want to use. So that's all for this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.